Hi, friends. Welcome back again in my YouTube channel, Education and Research. Now, today I would like to explain the new application which helpful for the person those who have facing an issue in the different languages and how they can communicate. We have a various Indian languages where you can learn through this app, Bhasha Sangam app. It has been launched by the Government of India Ministry of Education. So this Bhasha Sangam app is a mobile application developed by Ministry of Education, and this app is developed by the startup Multibhashi Solution Private Limited. This is the language learning app where you can learn multiple languages within a few minutes or few hours, and you can also download your certificate. And in this particular applications you can learn 22 languages and with the very animated format, and it has 100 sentence. After the 100 sentence you can give your feedback, and there is some test. After the qualifying of the test you will be able to generate the e-certificate which you can share to any one of them. So this is all about for this Bhasha Sangam app. Please download this Bhasha Sangam app in the below link I have in my YouTube video, and please share this beautiful application to your friends, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Please stay tuned.